Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt.
What it do, money gang. So we're back this week. We're going to be doing a custom rolling set. Now, these sets do come from my 420 giveaway that I was doing on Instagram. So if you did follow me or you are following me on Instagram, I hope you were one of the contestants that entered into my giveaway. So this was my last giveaway for the month of April. And the customer wanted, I should say the actual winner wanted a maple leaf set with two-tone colors with glow in the dark, and I will show you in the video the products that I use. In this video, all products did come from Amazon, and I would try my best to leave all product information in the description box. Now, I normally do not use plastic cups, but I am using plastic cups now because I do have a lot of them, so I'm just trying to get away with them. But I normally will use silicone cups, like this one here. This silicone cup is up to 4 cups. It came with the plastic cups. It had 100 plastic cups and 8 silicone cups that would each one with 8 for 4 cups. Then this is the resin that epoxy resin that I use, and it's Puduo. I actually love their product. I used to use Epoxy Store, but now I switched over to Puduo. Now with my alcohol, I use 91% alcohol, and I use my gloves and the respirator mask as well.
Sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you
Alright, so now that I have the glow in the dark and glitter mix laid in the molds, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my black into the epoxy and let them glow in the dark sit for a while. Then what you're gonna see me do is use my lid light, my black light, and go over my mold with the glow in the dark to go ahead and activate the glow in the dark. Now you always want to make sure you activate it. I always activate it just to make sure that it is activated and I can see the glow in the dark before I mix in another color. Like, yo, I had to fill this cup up like 3 damn times with this doggone black. I don't know why it took me forever. And you see, it's a 16-ounce cup. But yes, it took me like 3 cup fills to go ahead and fill up my ashtray. Well, the rolling tray, the actual tray. So, as you will see, what I'll be doing is it will take me about 3 times to fill it. But as I swirl it around and make sure the edges is filled, and then that's how I measure my top. I always check my edges of my molds to see how full the mold is. So this is how it will look. Now I will let it sit for about 24 hours before I take it out of the mold. And now here you're going to see it's 24 hours later, and I'm going to go ahead and demold it. And now I'm not even going to lie. The top is easy, and sometimes the ashtray is easy. But the jar itself, this right here, is very hard to demold. I don't really have no problem with anything else, but yes, the jar, you gotta take your time because it's very hard to demold and it takes forever sometimes. But here I am going to show you how they look as I'm demolding it, and I hope y'all enjoy my video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you're following us on all social media. Now that it is 24 hours later, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my set with alcohol. Now, you can also use your wipes to wipe it down, but I always wipe down my set before I start designing it. Now, this is the vinyl that I'm using. I'm not sure where I received this vinyl, but it's probably Amazon, because y'all know I'm an Amazon queen. And she wanted Puff Puff Pass. And this was my first time using vinyl on the maple leaf ashtray. And I'm telling you, it was hard getting into them little cracks, but I was determined. I had to cut the transfer tape a little bit to get into the cracks, and you'll see it in the video I'm going to show you as well. And also with the jar, it didn't come out the way I wanted to, so I had to end up stacking the words together. But at the end of the day, it did come out very nice. And I'm not sure where I got this vinyl from. Like I said, it probably was Amazon. But if I am able to find out where I did get it, I'll make sure I leave it in the description as always, because it was like butter, baby. And I love this silver. It was real good. So now that I have all my vinyl on my tray, so I'm going to take some clear resin and just put it on top of it and layer it on there. Now, normally with the tray, it takes the most resin, so I always start off with that one, and then I'll start off with the ashtray and then the jar top. Because the jar top doesn't need that much, I just use that, always leave that at the end. And you'll see that I will use my popsicle stick on the jar top a lot, just to get to the edges and make sure I'm at the end of the jar stick, but I'm not going over the top. Alright, so Money Gang, we're coming to the end of our video. I really hope this video helped anyone that is interested in epoxy resin or making custom sets. And as always, thank you always for always subscribing and watching my videos when I do post them. And hopefully you are subscribed. And I will be back next week. And next week we're going to be doing, I know it's graduation season. But anyway, now that I have gone ahead and put the layer on this set, I'm going to go ahead and let it sit for another 24 hours. And then I'm going to show y'all how it will look after the 24 hours. Now, I also made another set for contestant for for the 420. And I'm going to show y'all that set as well. And that's the video I thought I was videoing and I wasn't. Don't mind me, but hey. Love y'all. Thank y'all. See y'all next week. Peace. And always chase that money.